Hey woodworkers and DIY buffs. Today we are checking out the DEWALT 12-inch single bevel compound miter saw model DWS715. This corded electric powerhouse sports a brushless motor, precise detent system and a compact design perfect for trim work, framing, and that weekend crown molding project. Key features and specifications. You get a 15-amp brushless motor spinning a 12 carbide tipped blade at 4500 RPM, plus a stainless steel miter detent plate with 14 positive stops. The tall sliding fence supports up to 5 half bays vertically, and bevels range 0 degree 48 degree left and 0 degree 3 degree right. Cut capacity is 2 times 8 at 90 degrees and 2 times 6 at 45 degrees. All in an 18.9 H times 26.8 L times 21.9 W frame weighing just 42.8 pounds. So it's heavy duty yet highly portable. Price. Right now you can pick up the DWS 715 starting at $221.61, new and used, on making it a solid mid-range value for a pro-grade tool. Pros and cons. Pros. Lightning fast cuts, rock-solid positive stops, brushless efficiency, lightweight portability. Cons. Single bevel only, no right side bevel, no sliding rails for extra wide boards, and it lacks a built-in laser guide. Customer reviews summary. This saw boasts a stellar 4.8 out of 5 stars from 6,718 reviews, with users loving its precise angles and smooth blade action. A handful mention they miss dual bevel flexibility, but most agree it's bulletproof for everyday job site use. Should you buy it or not? If you need a compact, high RPM and reliable miter saw for trim, framing, or baseboards, and you don't require dual bevel cuts, the DWS 715 is a fantastic, budget-friendly pick that won't slow you down.